American ginseng, Panax quinquefolius, is a revered herb in traditional and modern herbal medicine, known for its adaptogenic properties that help the body cope with stress and enhance overall well-being. Native to North America, American ginseng has been used for centuries by Native Americans and later by settlers for its numerous health benefits. This video will explore the growth, habitat, and identification of American ginseng, its edible and medicinal uses, how to harvest it, and important warnings regarding its use. Please note this video is for educational purposes only and is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any ailment, illness, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider that is knowledgeable about complementary medicine prior to trying anything new. Growth and habitat. American ginseng is a perennial herb that grows in the understory of deciduous forests, particularly in the eastern United States and Canada. It thrives in rich, well-drained soils with a high organic content and prefers shady, moist environments. The plant typically grows in hardwood forests, often on north or east-facing slopes where it receives filtered sunlight. Identification. American ginseng can be identified by its compound leaves, which usually consist of 3 to 5 leaflets. Each leaflet is ovate, with serrated edges and a pointed tip. The plant produces small, inconspicuous greenish-yellow flowers that cluster in umbels, blooming in midsummer. By late summer to early fall, these flowers give way to red berries. The root of the plant is fleshy and spindle-shaped, resembling a human figure, which is characteristic of ginseng species. Edible uses. While American ginseng is primarily valued for its medicinal properties, its roots can be consumed. The root can be chewed fresh, brewed into a tea, or used as an ingredient in soups and other dishes to impart its beneficial qualities. Medicinal parts and uses. The root of American ginseng is the most potent part of the plant and is used in various preparations to treat a range of health conditions. Here are some of its medicinal uses. Diabetes. Use. American ginseng helps regulate blood sugar levels. Preparation. Taken as a tea, tincture, or in capsule form. Cold and flu. Use. Enhances the immune system to reduce the severity and duration of colds and flu. Preparation. Consumed as a tea or supplement. High blood pressure. Use. Helps lower blood pressure through its adaptogenic effects. Preparation. Taken as a tincture, capsule, or tea. Tonic for fatigue, stress, memory, and concentration. Use acts as an adaptogen, reducing stress, improving energy levels, and enhancing cognitive function. Preparation. Used as a tincture, tea, or in capsule form. Mood, sleep, and general outlook on life. Use. Supports emotional well-being, promotes restful sleep, and improves overall mood. Preparation. Taken as a tea or in supplement form. Antispasmodic. Use. Helps relieve muscle spasms and cramps. Preparation. Used in tincture or capsule form. How to harvest. American ginseng should be harvested responsibly to ensure sustainability. The best time to harvest is in the fall when the plant is mature, typically after 5 to 10 years of growth. Carefully dig around the plant to avoid damaging the root, ensuring you leave some roots behind to allow for regrowth. Harvesting should be done in compliance with local regulations to protect wild populations. Warnings. While American ginseng is generally safe for many people, there are important considerations and potential side effects. Interactions with warfarin and other blood thinners. American ginseng can affect blood clotting and should be avoided by those taking anticoagulant medications. Pregnancy or breastfeeding, not recommended due to insufficient evidence regarding safety. Hormone-related conditions. Those with endometriosis, fibroids, or cancers of the breast, ovaries, uterus, or prostate should avoid using ginseng as it can influence hormone levels. Heart disease. Ginseng may affect heart rhythm and should be used cautiously by those with heart conditions. Potential side effects. Some people may experience headaches, anxiety, upset stomach, and trouble sleeping when using ginseng. American ginseng is a powerful and versatile herb with a long history of use in herbal medicine. Its benefits range from improving energy levels and cognitive function to enhancing the immune system and supporting overall well-being. By understanding its growth, habitat, and proper harvesting techniques, as well as respecting its potential interactions and side effects, American ginseng can be a valuable addition to natural health practices. Always consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating ginseng into your routine, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications.